introducing the GentleWave in. We're zooming in a little bit, and where's the? Oh, they have
You
a
got the foot pedal right there.
now.
Once you start to see the magic happen, you see it kind of removing there. That's out of the pulp chamber. It's going to work its way down into those canals. Really just demonstrating the mechanism of action here with GentleWave. As those fluids work their way down into the canals, they begin to evaporate.
Oh, let's keep my air pressure on.
You can turn that as well.
Why don't you just okay, we're recording.
Okay.
All right.
So yeah, as we seat that back, you can see the procedure instruments down in the pulp chamber floor. Out of there, you saw a nice piece come, little chunk come out there. As it works its way down into the middle and then the apical third. Don't have any of the deteriorating properties of bleach or EDTA. But you can see it's pretty much gotten most of that material out. Maybe if you give it a little twist, you have some other canals still full. Looks like there's one on the back side that still has a little in it. And as the system runs, and even this water, but you don't see a whole lot of bubbles in the system anymore. Because that fluid should be fully degassed. We don't have a perfect seal on top because we didn't use sound seal system.
Very nice. Okay, so now
You can just pop off the pedal and
right.
little down in there that we could probably keep running it and get that out, or that's just a little residual.
That blue is a little residual.
Yeah, a little touch down in there. These teeth have been used over.
Oh, you refill them and you put them in?
Oh yeah. We just make the agros like a gelatin and we reuse these. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's a pretty good. Just a little demo tooth here, but it makes its way down into each canal. Doesn't need a direct access into there. Maybe that's just the light coming up directly through that one.
Well, I don't know, because there's something in there.
There might be. The effect of seeing. Oh, that's a nice view there. You can see even in these manufactured 3D printed teeth, they got some pretty intricate anatomy. Now it shows kind of it's still a little in there.
Yeah.
We didn't even run the full demo cycle with this, but
that's very good. Yeah. So that's a Son Endo, and it says GentleWave. That's the light switch.
Vision.
And here